Welcome back to the driveway. In an uncharacteristically productive morning, I was able to get the fender skirts on. Look how awesome that is. The running boards put on, and reinstall the inner fenders from the Ranger. So that's cool. I haven't polished the running boards or anything, but they're installed, so that's fun. Looks a lot better, I think. Yeah. Of course, the interior, that's still coming. But Fender Skirts, love them. They're amazing. Got them bolted on. I think they're supposed to just look like attached with wing nuts, but I didn't get that stuff, so they're bolted on. And there was a pre-existing hole in the front. I didn't really like that, but it's as good a spot as any to attach it, so I went ahead and reused it. It's on both of them. So bolt there, bolt in the bottom, and then the original compression piece for the center here. Holding them on, looks like they're going to be just fine. But, there's the other side. Looking fly. The running board. Looking pretty good. Loving it. It's really coming together. Looking like something. I'm excited. So yeah, we got running boards and inner fenders and a hood. The only thing I got to do is this the air vent on the front. And I'm going to put it on so it's permanently up because I like the way it looks up better. So there we go, Fender Skirts. One step closer to being done. Decided I'd paint this grate for the air vent here, Ford blue, because I had some Ford blue. Not the whole thing, just the grill part, just the grate. Everything else is all taped off. I don't know if I like the blue yet or not. I wanted a little bit of contrast. Like I wanted some color on the front of this thing. Just because I did. And but I figured before I installed this thing, I'd go ahead and paint the grate because it would be about impossible to paint it once I get it on the car, or at least cleanly. So, but it's all taped up, and we'll just see how this looks once I get it peeled off. But I thought I'd bring y'all in and let you see what I was doing. Just a little detail work, I guess. Anyway, alright. And there we go. All nice and Ford blue. I like it. It looks good. I'm very pleased. I think it'll look nice on the car. We'll mount it up in a day or so and see how it looks. There we go. The start of the insulation to keep the air out of the cab so my air conditioning can actually work properly without a bunch of air blowing over it, mixing with it and cooling it down. We'll have none of that. I know you notice I'm using only the highest quality of duct tape as my insulation. Sure, I could take the time and make a bunch of fitted little panels and welded them all in there and encapsulated that, or I take a bunch of tape, slap it over there and call it a day, and then back it with some of this fantastic great stuff here for windows and doors. That's right, because that's kind of like a big window door. So that's what we're going to do here. We're nothing but the finest quality in this shop. Well, you know what?
Absolutely. It's going to work.
It's going to work really, really well, actually. To be honest with you, after having spent almost a decade in the luxury car assembly industry, this is not that far off point from what you're going to get. So this is, sure, it's not foam and butyl, it's tape, which I actually think is stronger. So it'll be just fine. I'm pretty excited about it, actually. I'm just trying to seal this car up. I have a powerful need to have the air conditioning in the car and the outside air not in the car.
Well, let's do it.
Let's do it. Honestly.
Yeah, I'd go slow, see how much it's going to swell.
Oh! God! Let's get it off this before it's there forever.
And ruins the patina.
I know, don't ruin, not my pristine paint job! No! Where'd the rest of it go?
Over here.
Is it not on anymore on the car?
I don't think so. I think it overshot the car.
It was very excited. That happens to a lot of cans of great stuff the first time.
Yes, it does.
It's not working out. Why do you have to have a college degree to work great stuff now? When did that become a thing?
Okay, round 2.
God, seriously, apparently you have to have a degree in advanced physics to open great stuff now. Good Lord, that was terrible. You know, the worst part is I read the directions, because I was like, this is the most complicated looking thing of great stuff I've ever seen in my life. I don't know how this is going to work, but I do know it's permanent once it's done.
There's no air is going to get through there.
No, I don't think so. I guess we should probably see what that's going to do.
Yeah. Oh, that's good and sealed there.
I think so. You can probably see better than I can. Apparently this closes. I'm going to do a PSA on this great stuff. How's that looking?
That looks fine.
It does look pretty good, actually.
Yeah, it's that's probably fine. I don't know if you want to put it up in here.
Yeah, I do, but I was just gonna...
But that's why I'm thinking we might want to put some tape on the inside.
Well, hi there, fellas. Just thought I'd pop up here and let y'all know there's a good idea to use me to seal this car up. I was looking around. Well, y'all did a good job. It's pretty sealed up. I believe the air conditioning's going to stay in. Just thought I'd let you know. All right, then. Appreciate it.
A picture of our little buddy up there. And you know what?
I don't feel any.
I don't feel a bit of air coming through here. Not a bit.
I don't either. I was going to take it, get up a little more speed on the side road.
Yeah, but
I
there's...
think we know by now.
Oh, there is nothing coming through there. I think we have officially sealed the front end.
I hope so. A can of great stuff, that's a lot. So, I'd like to think so. I mean, it's as sealed as it could possibly be.
Exactly.
We're not going for perfection here.
Oh, fellas, you're all right.
Little buddy riding with us up there.
Hey, guys, kind of windy out here. How's it in there?
It's fine in here. Yes.
True. Air conditioning without abrasive hot air coming in from outside.
Oh, that is nice.
Sort of plug and play.
But not really.
Well, play in the plug.
I mean, there's just nothing. There's not a whisper of air coming in.
And that's what this was all about.
That is exactly what this was.
At the end of the day, my inner fat boy demanded that I have this air conditioning. So all this work has been for this moment. Nicely
cool
admired.
place to fire the missiles.
That's right.
I'll be damned.
This thing turned into a pretty decent ride.
Yes, it is really comfortable.
It is, surprisingly so. For a truck.
Yeah, it doesn't ride like a truck anymore.
No, not really.
Fade away.